So before I permanently attach the shower walls to the frame, I need to check to make sure that the valve cover fits properly. Oops, it's too wide in diameter. This is 7 inches. Now what do I do? The plumber screwed up. Well, I filed it down and cleaned it up, but let's see if it fits. I think that's gonna work. To secure the shower base to the wall, I put 5 screws in the pre-drilled holes. It really pulled it up and it got rid of the squeaks when I step on it. Neither the written directions nor the installation video show putting screws in these pre-drilled holes, but it definitely made a difference. I'm inserting the 3/4 inch backer rod in between the bottom frame and the shower base to pinch the shower tighter against the base without having to physically attach it. Otherwise, I have to mount the shower walls to the base before I slide it in, and that just didn't work. I'm going to drill these one at a time, put in a screw, because there is some flexibility of the walls here, and I want to make sure it's snug to the frame. So Diane's helping me to make sure nothing moves right in the dimple. If I had 2 drills, I could do this quicker, but I'd have to have a helper hand me the tools. Oops. I got it. I got all of them up here.
Okay.
2. I think maybe that should be a bigger hole than what they recommend. The extension is too long. Alright, I gotta drill a bigger hole. Turns out the recommended 3/32 drill bit is too small really to thread the screws to get it started in there, so I'm just gonna tap it again with 7/64 bit. Not far, just enough to get her going without falling out. Oh yeah. There we go. Much easier. You gotta modify the instructions sometimes for your circumstances. Okay. That bit is not gonna do it. These Phillips head screws are really small openings, so I needed to get a different bit. You know, I saw them wrestling with this on the video too. These are stainless steel screws, so I'm gonna get up clear to the top here. Try not to hit my head. Get some leverage. Alright, gotta drill a bigger, wider diameter hole to make this work, so I'll go with that other bit. Another trick is to put a little grease on the screw, which is hand soap is what I use. Let me do that. Got a little Dove hand soap there, bar soap. Who would have thought all these details would be so difficult? Damn it. It's your turn, Diane.
I don't think I can reach it.
It's okay.
Too far behind me.
And that did it.
Yay.
All right. Moving on. Okay, I gotta take a break here. You can relax. Let's hope this one and the rest goes smoother. Screw. Okay. You have to replace that one.
Did it bend it?
It basically milled it out. These are stainless steel, they're soft.
Oh, okay.
Shavings. Snug. We're good on this side. All right. Woo! 3 more recess positions. Yeah. This is tight, so I don't need to press on it. I can do it all at the same time. Smaller bit. Gotta get another screw. Last screw. That's it. We're done. All done. Attached at the top of the shower walls. I'll need to put a bead of caulk there between the shower wall and the painted wall. Don't want any moisture to get down there. But it's tight. Just want to seal it up.